All right, let's go over check-in issues with NetDocs. Now, these get rare. They normally happen when you are starting to use NetDocs for the first time. Let's look at it how it should work. So I want to open up this transaction agreement. I'm going to click on transaction agreement. Bottom right-hand corner real quick, it says checking out. Document opens up in Word. If it's not working correctly, it will just download to your computer. And then you've got to find it and open it up. So now that I'm done with this document, I'm going to close it. Bottom right-hand corner, let's see, it says checking in, and the check mark goes away. That's everything working correctly. So why would this not work on your computer? Option one, you're using Edge, okay? You're using Firefox, okay? Which is fine because NetDocs will work in Firefox. You're going to come over to this article right here, and this is in the blog post, by the way, using NetDocs and Firefox. There's an additional thing you have to do. If you're not using Firefox, let's go to the next option, ND Office. And this is, by the way, for Windows people. This is not a Mac training video. There's other videos about that. This is your own Windows. ND Office is this program right here. If ND Office is not installed, then NetDocs will not work. Okay? So if ND Office is installed, NetDocs will work. Next option here, and this is where, oh, maybe I'm having the problem in only Word, only Excel. So in Word here, I'm going to come over to File. Where is this? I haven't done this in a while. Let's go under More, Options, Add-ins. Okay? Under COM add-ins here, I know this gets nerdy, we have a NetDocs Word add-in that is checked off. The easier way to see this is File, Save As. Do you have an ND save? Has your NetDocs plugins been disabled from Word, from Excel, from PowerPoint? If so, you have to re-enable them. There's an article in that in the blog post that explains how to do that as well. Last option, this is only happening for PDF programs. Let's come over here to default apps. Okay. All right. And is Adobe Acrobat here, and we find Adobe, is it the default app for your PDF files? Or does this say Microsoft Edge? And you might have to get your IT people involved, but if it says Microsoft Edge, you need, or maybe you're using Kofax, switch it to whatever PDF program you're using to make that. You don't want it to be a web browser. It needs to be something like Adobe in there. If none of that works, if you have ND Office installed, you're not using Firefox, or you fixed it, you've restarted your computer, nothing is disabled, call the tech support number, they'll jump on and fix it for